Biglang alis kami papunta daw sa Makati. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo ako. Later na lang.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss.
Ayan, nandito kami sa default. Dito sa may Makati. Merong mga tao ngayon, parang mga komedyante daw sa TikTok. Hindi pa kami pumapasok para tignan. So, ito yan, sa gilid lang. Ito, ewan ko kung anong building itong isa. Ito, STI ba yan? Ewan ko.
Alam mo, kung mag-check ako ng quality, dapat yung bayad na. I'm here for the money. Because what's love? Money! 550 na, 550 balls. Sign me up!
Hello! Norbert po. Norbs na lang for short. Pilay po talaga ako. Tapos nandito ko kasi fan na fan akong season 2. Sina Kuya Alfonso, sina Kuya Paolo, mamibit ko sila. Tapos sa umaga ako ay tempered glass installer. Minsan malabo ng buhay, papalinawin ko. Again, Norbs.
Yo, Alistair's! It's me, Susan, your surfer instructor by day and also your art curator by night. Alam mo, I feel the passion about this island. There's something about it. Love, money, pwede mo, depende. We'll see.
If ever our AI feels that you are
Puguto na ako.
Mahirap mag-vlog dito. Mag-vlog. May music. May music. So, may event pala dito, kaya may nagpe-perform. Ayan, ako, ngayon pa naubos na lang niya yung tacos. So, after, nachos pala. After nito, uwi na din kami.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel
Ayan, dito lang kami sa labas. Pero pauwi na din. Nag-i-edit pa tong editor. Editor na malupit ang edit. Dito to sa may Makati. Ayun yung name niya, Default Cafe and Pub. Wala ng tao. Magko-close na sila. So, uwi na kami.
And I always stay up, don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up, or the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always
yeah.
flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Ayan, dito lang kami sa sa may Jollibee. Magte-take out ng food ng 2 bagets. Kaso ang tagal, 15 minutes para waiting. Marami sigurong order. Tsaka maraming waiting. Malakas to pag sa mga Grab. Pero walang nagda-dine in. Puro deliver. So, ayan, nandito na kami sa bahay. Buti nakaabot kami dahil umuulan na. Pero nung kanina sa Makati, bago kami umuwi, umaambon-ambon na pero hindi ganun ka lakas. Tapos pagdating dito, ayan, buti naabutan na kami dito sa bahay. So, kumakain na ako ng... Ay, ano ba to? Ayan, kumakain na ako ng burger steak. Yan. So, mag-good night na ako and baka hindi ko na naman matapos tong vlog na to. So, yun, good night. See you tomorrow. So, ayun. Hindi pa pala ako mag-good night. Nanonood pa ako ng vlog nila Ong Fam, as usual. Tapos nag-edit ako habang nagre-render, binabalikan ko yung yung vlog. Then, itong isa, ang panganay namin, ang panganay ko, sa pinakapanganay, sa mga anak ko, nagpaluto ng champurado. Yan, di ba? Alas 4 na ng umaga. Ayan. Favorite ni Dalton to, kaya nagpaluto siya. Di ba? Siya yung panganay ko. Yun. So, niluto ko na para hanggang bukas or magutom man, bago siya mag-inom ng gamot, makakain. Kasi tanghali na ako nagigising. Kaloka, gising ko. Habang walang pasok, bakasyon. Yun. Pero magpapasok ka na next week. Si JJ, pasok is 23. Si DM yata 29. So, ayun. Kaya, simula na naman ang gisingan ng maaga. Ay, balik eskwela na naman ang mga estudyante. At, kami na naman maiiwan dito sa bahay. Yun. Grade 11 na si JJ, tapos si DM grade 6 na. So, lumalaki ng aming mga anak. Grabe, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. Dati talaga, alam mo yun, parang, basta, sobrang bilis ng panahon. Ngayon, tinitignan ko na lang sila, parang, ang laki-laki na nila, binata na. Si JJ Lato, biglang laki. Biglang yung boses, ganyan. Si DM, susunod, di pa natutuli kasi. Si JJ, after niyang matuli, ayan na, simula na nung laki ng boses niya. Tapos, binata na. Hoy, ano yan? Shh! Kakalat nyo na naman yan, So, yan, niluluto ko lang tong champurado. Then, siguro, pag hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, ibig sabihin, ayun, last ko na to video. So yun, pinapanood ko lang yung Ong Fam as usual. Malapit na rin ako matapos. Tapos kanina may bagong upload sila. So inuna ko muna yon bago ko binalikan yung lumang videos nila. Ayun lang. So sige, ito na, tatapusin ko na to para makakain na yung panganay.